What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daisy, aka the Brandfluencer, and I thought I'd make a quick little video on some tips and tricks I use when online shopping. Now in general, I like online shopping because I know I can get things a bit cheaper. Everything I order is delivered directly to my door, so it doesn't require me to go out, and you can just return stuff free of charge if you don't like it. It's just, I find it very convenient. And now with COVID and lockdown in the UK, shops have been shut since before Christmas, so no one has been able to visit a shop in terms of clothing or whatever it may be in a while, so online shopping has been our only choice. So I thought it'd be very useful to release this video on tips and tricks on how to shop better online. So my number one hack is to beat the cookies. Now cookies are used to track your activity, and these cookies then allow for personalized ads to be presented on your social media or on Google, wherever it may be. So we've all experienced a time where we've been online shopping or looking at something online, and then we get so many adverts on either the same item or on similar items, and these are due to the cookies. And this allows for something called dynamic pricing and dynamic adverts. Dynamic adverts are the personalized ads that you see on social media of something you've previously searched for. So if you visited Nike for a certain pair of shoes, you will see an advert on those shoes probably that same day when you visit Facebook. The idea is they want to haunt you with that product you already are interested in until you end up buying it. Now with dynamic pricing, it involves a pricing element which is linked to your interest. So most prices you may see may be personalized to you. And a prime example of this is with flights. We all know the concept of if you keep searching for a flight, the price goes up, and it's all linked to cookies. I feel like that's a generic world-known thing, and this applies to a lot of different shops and different areas, not just flights. So my tip is to constantly erase your cookies so they can't track you anymore, so you don't face this dynamic pricing or dynamic adverts. So whatever laptop or device you use, just search up on Google how you can erase them, because it will be different for everyone. But another option is to search in incognito mode, which is a way of you searching undercover without them being able to track you in any way. Now on Google Chrome, this is very easy, especially if you've got a MacBook, so you can just right click and click search in incognito mode. So on to my next tip. When shopping online and you've added stuff to your cart, leave your cart. Play hard to get. Don't buy things straight away as soon as you put it in your cart, because I guarantee you will eventually receive an advert, an email, or when you revisit they may have a pop-up offering you some sort of a discount code. Now businesses are gonna hate me for sharing these secrets, but we're here to save money and level up our finances, right? But yeah, play hard to get and don't buy things straight away. Just leave them in your basket. And in order to receive these emails, you must obviously be signed up for their emailing list in order to receive a discount if you have left your cart full of items. A cool thing I actually learned is that you could create a totally new email which is specifically only for shopping, just so your inbox is not loaded of spam and discounts and all of that stuff. So if you have two separate emails, one for mainly important things and another one just purely for shopping, that will help your life out a lot and helps you avoid the temptation of online shopping whilst you're just scrolling through your inbox looking for maybe an important email, and then you see a juicy discount code and decide to shop. So that separate email means you only access it when you need it. No pointless shopping. Remember, we're trying to save money, and I've highlighted it in this video to unsubscribe from those mailing lists. But if you have a separate account and you are strong-willed and will not fall for these marketing gimmicks, then you're good. You can keep them. But otherwise, if that's not the case, then just search online, search on Google. I've talked about this before. There are so many voucher code sites, but particularly if you do have a full cart and you leave that cart, you will always receive an email saying you have forgotten this, or here's a code, or something like that. And on to my final tip. This is price matching. Now, many sites offer a price match guarantee. Now, price match guarantee means if you find a specific product in a store which is being sold somewhere else for cheaper, they will price match that. And you may think, why would I do that? I'll just go shop somewhere else. But more time, I personally prefer to shop from big main stores because I know it's a safer purchase. And I may find it a bit cheaper somewhere else, but I'm not sure, or I don't have knowledge on that company. So the big companies such as Currys and John Lewis, having this price match guarantee allows me to have that confidence for purchase whilst also getting it at a lower price, because you just tell them, look, I can buy this from cheaper here, can you please price match that? And that's what they do. And this highlights how you should go out and search first instead of just purchasing off of one site. So for example, if I looked at Currys first and just knew, okay, Currys legit, I know Currys is good, I'll just buy it from Currys, even though another store is selling it for way less, then you're kind of missing out on saving money. And they know people fall for this and they're lazy to shop around. That's why they actually advertise it for a bit higher, and they're making extra money from this. So be smart and shop around first, and if they offer price match guarantee, then you can just do that. And otherwise, I mean, if they don't offer price match, then just buy it somewhere else cheaper if they are a secure site. So check Trustpilot, see if they're a legitimate site. If they have a little padlock in their search bar, it means they are quite secure. And if you can use a credit card to pay, or you can use PayPal, then I consider them quite safe to shop on. So make sure you do shop around instead of going for the more direct, most expensive price, purely because it's a legitimate brand. So that's about it, guys. I know this video was a lot shorter than my general other ones, but I want to mix it up a bit, and I know these valuable little tips will help out a lot of people, especially if you didn't know any, or they just remind you to do it, because we all love a good little bargain, and this is a way of going about that. So make sure you like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any other videos you would like me to cover. And other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a lovely week, and till next time.